Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! This is going to be a windmill variation where we are going to lift ourselves up on the left elbow each time, in each round. I spin clockwise and I use my reverse elbow freeze, so the left one, but if you spin counterclockwise you should use the right one. We're going to start as usual from the tarot freeze, then going to the side freeze, tarot freeze, side freeze, shoulder, back, shoulder, and bounce your legs up, reaching an elbow freeze. If you have troubles going from the shoulder to the elbow freeze, just practice this transition by itself first. So just start from the left shoulder freeze, like this. You can bend your knees more, like this, if it's too hard to make your legs a little wider in this way. So fold them more and bounce your knees up. At the same time, move your arm in this way. So you're not pushing only in this way, but also in this way. Your bicep is gonna go closer to your head. It's not only pushing in this way, out, but also up. From here, push up. After the elbow freeze, we're gonna reach a tarot freeze again on the right side. So practice a couple times, just left elbow freeze to right tarot freeze, just to get a little bit comfortable, and then practice the whole combo again. Start from here, elbow freeze, tarot freeze. When I move from the elbow to the tarot freeze, I have to adjust the left hand. Elbow freeze, tarot freeze. As you see, I'm moving the left hand away. Otherwise, I will do a tarot freeze leaning on my elbow. If doing the whole combo still looks hard for you, you can start from the left shoulder, from here, going to the elbow freeze, and then going to the tarot freeze on the right. So from here, folding the knees, pushing up to the elbow, and then going to the tarot freeze. Once you get comfortable with this exercise, shoulder to elbow to tarot, try the whole combo again. Tarot freeze, side freeze, shoulder, back, shoulder, elbow, tarot freeze, and so on. Side freeze again. Once you can do the combo very slowly, try to make it just a little bit smoother. Not that much. Do it gradually with time. Get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon, link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!